In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change your home page panels. Your panels are basically the two panels that you see here on your home page. You can have more than just two panels, or you can change the current two that you already have. By looking at this tab, we can tab over to other panels that have been created. Currently, your market only has two, so I'll show you how to add to those. This is your home page. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and add a new panel. We want to disable this panel because maybe it doesn't pertain to your market. So what we'll do is we'll go to Content, we'll go to Homepage, and we are going to disable the Stories panel. It's better to disable the panel rather than to delete it because you can run into problems if you ever want to get that panel back. We're going to go ahead and do Add a New Panel. And when doing this, it's really important to know HTML or CSS so that you have more control over the design, but I'll show you a simple way of putting this together. So we are going to call this a temporary ad homepage. We want to choose a background image. I'll choose purple. And then in the HTML content, we can start to create our own content. And we can format it however we like. We can even add a new photograph if we want. Pasting in a URL here, we'll say OK. And we can basically add whatever content that we want. When we're finished, we'll go ahead and say Add. And you'll notice that you have a new disabled panel. What I'd like to do is go ahead and enable that panel. And I would like to switch sides of basically which side the panel appears on. Once we've done that, you must make sure to say Save. And now we can go and look at our home page, which is now has a purple side and has a blue side with the products. Now, of course, this doesn't look exactly like how we would want it to look, but that's where your CSS skills and your HTML skills come into play, where you go back into that panel and change your HTML code so that you can get everything to look the way that you would prefer it to look. But that's essentially how you create, add, and edit any of your homepage panels.